Ibhola lethu ibhola lomzansi namaphethelo 1 Orlando Pirates 0 Richards Bay. Black Label semi-finals. Ngisho kanje ngoba manje Pirates is through to ama-finals. Bazodlala ke because either way they had to play ama-team waseNatal because yiwo aye through. But ke vandag bafethu yazi mina I do this because really ngicurious ezinye izinto angizicavi. So vandag my main concern was ama-tactics, tactical 11, tactical changes. So asiqale nge-first 11. Beni approve i-first 11 ka coach vandag. Ngiphaza mabhakani ayi2 vela kunakhosi la.
Mina so far i-lineup be sharp. Yeah, right. First 11 be sharp. Okay, ama changes wakhe. Mina ngihlezi ngikhala. Okay, mara vandag ya hoto at least ube on nyana because na ubonile ukuthi igame iphambili at least wa meet ya level ye game. Vandag uhoto.
So uhoto bamsape for ubani?
Unda.
Was that a tactical change? Was that a fair change?
Yeah, it was fair because bengekho tactical because still besaya phambili bebengekho dangerous masiya phambili mabeza kithi bona. Even though Tina wanted to add more speed going forward. So I think it changed yakhe be sharp. Yeah, lapho be sharp.
But was it necessary ukuthi asape undaba behangekho egamini?
Yeah, for mina I felt ukuthi umuntu beyangasekho egamini. Yes ukorile but beyangekho egamini umremi. Udlalile yena uyadlala ngakhona but you understand like njoba into engihlala ngisho ukuthi iconsistency yona into ebalekile. Ujwayele ukuthi usibelebele noma adlala kangakanani amdonse yabona afake ubani lomjida lo ulibitso rafaka umfukengi uyangaunderstand amdrope or enze kanje be consistent mdonse umremi uskorele sharp mdonse akasa ethi value mase yaphambili because uyabona ukuthi all the time akabamba ibhola ufuna ukuthi ayenze yena lento ayifuna akasasebenzeli thina sekayesebenzela yena yabo so yona into ebengikhala ngayo ukuthi okay sharp if ufaka uhoto akamfaka eze winger adonse uyena umremi undaba aqhubeka adlale la.
Mnandi. Thore mfana, you kept singing ama-praises ka-riding ka-Master Chef lapha egroupini ezigame lokidlala but bamsapa now. So what did you think about i-riding igame ukuthi bekumele beku-first 11 and uyavumelana lesaphe yenzakala?
Yes, our Master Chef deserve ukuba kwinto kwi-first lineup cause uyabheka i-first half yethu uzamila. I mean namhlanje udlale ngenye indlela different than previous game. Isikakhulu seke thanda ukuba deep adlalile emuva but then namhlanje beke khona ukukhuphuka. I think ukhahlelile nasepalini. So beke on. So ngiye kwi change yes uMaster Chef akakabi match fitness yakhe sesephansi so akusukuthi singamlindela ukuthi aqede ama game so sub yakhe be right.
But can we say that for a player elidlala ku PSL elidlala na ku squad futhi can we say ukuthi fitness level yakhe ayikho right because it goes to prove ukuthi laba bathi ayuyalazi kuphela ba right mabasho kanjalo uyavumelana nabo?
No. Angithi ne approach ye game ne game uyayibheka phela then ubonile ucoach ukuthi no manje sengidinga ukuthi no at least ngipress into i Richards Bay ngidinga i fresh legs since introduce unto umfukeng because umfukeng uyakhona ugijima uyakhona ukwenza yonke into Master Chef engakhona ukuyenza fine Master Chef ibhola mali kuye uyakhona ukudlalisa then ekumakini akakhona ukumaka so umfukeng uyakhona ukwenza ku-2 uyakhona uku-attacker uyakhona ukuyaza umaka.
Speka Chef Van Rooyen libitso
Yeah, Van Rooyen, it was a good sub. It was a good sub. Van Rooyen and I think the fatigue because I mean game time into angayijwayelanga so bese yakhathe we are not but yena nje for me that was a first up there it was a first up so
all right see
sure it was a first up so no sengikhalela abondaka ke manje yangasana sibisi 100% for mina ibhodlela hayi livale kwavaleka yabona so mina yazi mina into ebengibheke yabona la percent I felt ukuthi even though unemtajela uyaperforma week in week out nafandag take nothing away from the guy udlalile but mawubona ukuthi sekayaleka mdonse quick yanganasana ungaze ukuthi aze akhathalisise ukuthi manje agcine sekayenza ama mistake lawa sesithi mara ungamkhiphi uyabona akamdonse nje isikhathi sisa right angakenza ama mistake amaningi yabona njengoba uThorash yabona for mina Master Chef it was a good sub futhi nakhona because into yakhe uyalibamba ibhola like siyadlala makhona yena yabona umfukengi unikeza ibhola expect something from yena all the time ibhola lafika kunento esilindele uMaster Chef kanti siyadlala uyabona siyadlala so I feel like in a way mhlambe basazodlala beyi2 sibone ukuthi yini abangasinikeza yona but nje so far vandag 100 but nje I was not happy ngade way Pirates yekele ngakhona iRichards Bay idlala ibhola
before songena leyo ngifuna singene leyo but also there was iframe abayispanisile vandag bathi uApolice uthumi uZulu iphuthu lapha
yo Betty yo Betty
because they kept getting ama fouls from uZulu umbone kanjani aPolice
bengize ngithi amafeni azwenza ijustice amvotele undo uApolice bengithi bazomvotela because uperforme kakhulu aPolice kula mawubheka wonke ama game wakhe ekewadlalile shaya a game yakhe iphezulu because beki assist phela iphume kuye that long ball yes then khona amanye amabhola ekewadlalile ubona ukuthi singalithola igoli so nje aPolice uhleze on
mfana asingeneke kule iride ukuthi second half iPirates ivumele iRichards Bay ukuthi izwakalekile ngicanga ukuthi flop libeva
I think lento ukuthi okay manje angithi sinama players quick so sibheke ukuba bamba ngecounter uyanganasana okay if senze mistake bayakora siya consider nana then yabona ukuthi still sibuyele emuva yabona so dlala le ball olijwayele uyanganasana idlala le ball olijwayele yabona makukhona uMaster Chef ngiyabelieve ukuthi singabamba ngecounter cause uyalibamba ibhola sidlale siya switch uyanganasana cause yabona into esenza iPirates yawadlala ama diagonal balls idlala long balls yabona of which into besingakanaki ukuthi okay Pirates siyibona ukuthi iyenzeka manje nje iba yinorm but so far nje mina overall performance first half 100 second half
uyavumelana ngalokho
yes second half I think si lose I shape center because uphuma kwaNamtanjela nakhona sigcine sesingasazi sigcine sinika into iRichards Bay space ukuthi idlala then nakhona iyadlala iRichards Bay akusi team edlalayo but then namhlanje beyidlala iRichards Bay idlala one touch two touch then idlala long ball kunto kuMango or kuMotizwa but then namhlanje bengiqala ubona iRichards Bay ipass ibhola ikhona ukupass ibhola which is into thina besivumela iRichards Bay ayidlali namhlanje thina sivumela isecond half yethu besifile fine besikhona ukuhlanganisa lo matchash la but then bengekho on
and to add kule nto Thore uyabona la ukuthi no iba inorm ukuthi sike ama team masidlala nawo second half yabona previous game senze same thing yabona senze same thing na kwi game I think I game eMagesi or before yesiwele
iMagesi lapho izokora khona
Arus kwiMagesi siyeke iMagesi yadlala Arus siyeke Arus yadlala second half namhlanje senza same thing yabona if it was isikhathi mhlambe esiningana ukuthi if maybe baqale ukudlala bebangakora nokukora yabona
so uya ku final no what are you fixing ukuthi nithathe le cup le
so yabona so far I think Pirates mina personally I feel like we should play as a team yes individual brilliance lapho nalapho but if we can play as a team sazi ukuthi mangila ngibheke lapha lo muntu kumele ngimphase phakamisa ikhanda ngekhona ukuphasa lapha I mean I think mfethu lapho we can be unstoppable uyanganasana because iPirates can only score so much goals only if angazi makwenzakale uyanganasana we coming from a game eswine 3-1 why can't we score 2 goals why can't we score 3 goals uyanganasana because we capable of doing that with the quality esinayo with the pace esinayo i-defense is solid yabona lezo zinto attacking sinati siyadlala ibhola siyalibamba but mase kumele siye phambili angazi kwenza is like uzonikeza uApolice uzoyenza ufuna lo kumele amphase yena so that azokwazi ukuthi aphinde litho kanti mabengaspana as a team uyangana ukuthi sidlala sonke la sina siPirates masikore lo score song yabona so far I mean I think going forward mangalungise kanje direct leyo ukuthi bazi ukuthi iPirates sidlala as a team ukuthi makore bani ukorile masingakoranga scoranga sonke yabona Hey.
Mfana yaya nishaya i-team ebuye esontweni elikhulu ngale kulomhlaba wase KZN. So ndiya ku final. Are you confident ukuthi nayithatha le cup leli njengoba siyivala mfana?
Siye eDurban Monday siye eDurban Monday or Tuesday so dlala igame ya Wednesday neArrows. Sema sifika lapha iArrows yasinika impuphu yathi le mpuphu le ningayiqedi niloko nje nithuma abantu uphuthu. So siqale ngaye iArrows sayithuma uphuthu then salandela ngeRichards Bay sayithumolwayo uphuthu then siyoqeda impuphu ke impuphu final. So iqeda impuphu seyivala nje siyothatha into kuyeyini because siyama favorites ukuthi siyiwine lesikhathi so kwami why kumele siye asiyithatha ngithi unkoko usikhiphile eBKF then nayi cup esele ngayo then neleague okusele nje asithuma abantu
akaphumi ne-fixture ibhola lethu nomzansi namaphethelo. Please like and subscribe ayivale mfana.